Visiting Ladakh, a region in the northern part of India, is a unique experience due to its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and high-altitude environment. Here are 50 things to know when planning a trip to Ladakh. 1. Altitude awareness. Ladakh is at a high altitude, so acclimatization is crucial to avoid altitude sickness. Spend the first day in Leh resting to acclimatize. 2. Health precautions. Carry essential medications, including those for altitude sickness. Consult a doctor before the trip. 3. Weather conditions. Ladakh has extreme weather conditions, with cold temperatures even in summer. Pack accordingly with layers, warm clothing, and a good quality jacket. 4. Thin air. The air in Ladakh is thinner, so physical exertion can be more challenging. Take it slow, especially during the initial days. 5. High-altitude lakes. Visit Pongong Lake, So Moriri, and other high-altitude lakes. They are breathtaking and provide a serene environment. 6. Monasteries. Ladakh is known for its monasteries, such as Hemis, Thiksi, and Diskit. Respect local customs and traditions when visiting these religious sites. 7. Leh Palace. Explore Leh Palace for its historical significance and panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. 8. Local cuisine. Try Ladakhi cuisine, including momos, thukpa, and butter tea. The food is hearty and helps combat the cold. 9. Homestays. Consider staying in homestays to experience local culture and hospitality. 10. Permit requirements. Some areas in Ladakh require permits for tourists. Check and obtain the necessary permits in advance. 11. Local festivals. If possible, plan your visit around local festivals like Hemis Festival for a vibrant cultural experience. 12. Cultural sensitivity. Respect local customs and dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. 13. Mobile connectivity. Mobile network coverage is limited. Carry a BSNL SIM card for better connectivity. 14. Cash. Carry sufficient cash as ATMs are scarce, especially in remote areas. 15. Pack essentials. Sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat are essential due to the high-altitude sun. 16. Water. Stay hydrated, but avoid tap water. Drink bottled or boiled water. 17. Electricity. Electricity supply can be inconsistent. Carry a power bank and plan accordingly. 18. Road conditions. Roads in Ladakh can be challenging. Be prepared for rough terrain and consider hiring a reliable local driver. 19. Photography. Ladakh offers stunning landscapes. Keep your camera handy but also respect the privacy of locals. 20. Respect wildlife. Ladakh is home to diverse wildlife. Respect their habitats and avoid disturbing them. 21. Camping. Enjoy camping under the stars but follow eco-friendly practices. Leave no trace behind. 22. Biking. If you plan to bike, ensure your vehicle is in top condition, and wear appropriate safety gear. 23. Leh Market. Explore the Leh Market for local handicrafts, jewelry, and souvenirs. 24. Monsoon. Ladakh experiences minimal rainfall. Plan your trip during the summer months for the best weather. 25. Language. Learn a few basic phrases in Ladakhi or Hindi to communicate with locals. 26. Border areas. Be aware of the proximity to international borders in certain areas. Follow security guidelines. 27. Inner line permits. Some areas near borders may require inner line permits. Obtain them in Leh before traveling. 28. Shidar Trek ***. If attempting the Shidar Trek in winter, be well prepared for extreme conditions. 29. Medical facilities ***. Medical facilities are limited, so carry a basic first aid kit. 30. Solar chargers ***. Carry a solar charger for your devices, as electricity availability may be limited. 31. High-altitude clothing ***. Pack warm clothes, thermal wear, and sturdy boots for high-altitude conditions. 32. Avoid plastic ***. Ladakh is ecologically fragile. Avoid single-use plastics and contribute to the region's sustainability. 3. Local transport ***. Shared taxis and local buses are common modes of transportation. Plan your journeys accordingly. 34. Local etiquette ***. Be respectful and ask for permission before taking photographs, especially of people. 35. Yak rides ***. Enjoy a yak ride for a unique experience, especially in Nubra Valley. 36. Stargazing ***. Ladakh's clear skies make it ideal for stargazing. Don't miss the opportunity to see the night sky. 37. Leh Marathon ***. If you're a runner, consider participating in the Ladakh Marathon held annually. 38. Cultural workshops ***. Participate in cultural workshops to learn traditional Ladakhi arts and crafts. 39. Bro signs ***. Enjoy the quirky road signs maintained by the Border Roads Organization, BRO. 40. Snowfall ***. In winter, Ladakh experiences heavy snowfall, making some areas inaccessible. 41. Turtik Village ***. Visit Turtik, the northernmost village in India, to experience a unique culture. 42. Environmental consciousness ***. Follow sustainable tourism practices to protect Ladakh's fragile ecosystem. 43. River rafting ***. Enjoy river rafting in the Zanskar and Indus rivers for an adrenaline rush. 44. Hot springs ***. Relax in the hot springs of Panamek in Nubra Valley. 45. Ladakhi dance and music ***. Attend local cultural performances to witness traditional Ladakhi dance and music. 46. Birdwatching ***. Ladakh is a haven for birdwatchers. Look out for unique Himalayan bird species. 47. Yuru Kabgit Festival ***. Attend the Yuru Kabgit Festival in Lamayuru for masked dances and religious ceremonies. 48. Ladakh International Film Festival ***. If your visit coincides, attend the Ladakh International Film Festival. 49. Frozen rivers ***. In winter, witness frozen rivers and water bodies, creating a surreal landscape. 50. Gastronomic delights ***. Explore Ladakh's diverse food scene, including Ladakhi bread, apricots, and more. Remember to be flexible in your plans as weather conditions can change rapidly in Ladakh. Enjoy the unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness that this region has to offer.